In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo login error. Many sign-in problems disappear after updating because the app and Apple's system services are better aligned. The next solution is to refresh Venmo without losing your data. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, then choose Storage. This section lists all your apps and the space they use. Find and tap Venmo. Here you'll see an option called Offload App. Offloading removes the app itself, but keeps its documents and data on your device. That means your account information and settings tied to the app's data remain intact. Tap Clear Storage, then confirm by tapping Offload App again when prompted. This clean app while preserving your stored data. It often fixes stubborn login issues without forcing you to start from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve the login error on your iPhone.